Hey guys, it's Mike and the girls with Narx Customs. Today we are running up to Brian Late's place, BlackSeed Originals, and we're going to walk around a little bit of his stuff while I drop off the harness for the Jeep Grand Wagoneer LS swap we're working on. So here we go. That's a big dog. Hi. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, we were going to run up to Brian Late's house and drop the harness off for Todd for the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So while we're here, we're going to let him take a ride in the cart real quick, ask some questions about BlackSeed Originals, which is his company. Oh, I'm breaking shit already. Which is his company. Obviously, old school hot rod stuff. You'll see lots of, Brian is probably known for his interiors in cars, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And
this thing's pretty damn dangerous, I think. It's got a lot of sharp edges on it.
Yeah, don't cut your hand up.
Yeah. So,
alright, Brian, when did you start BlackSeed Originals?
You know, probably about 2005. I started, as I was building hot rods, I started doing interiors. A little bit of experience.
Guys, today was a blast. You just wait till you see the videos. But reminder, we're giving this car away when the channel hits 1 million views. So subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you can keep up with everything that's coming for the shop. All right.
It's from interiors back to the late 90s, but just something I'm kind of drawn to from my car audio background and right, you know, building stuff, and it just kind of evolved from that point on.
And you've had some super killer stuff. Now I haven't gotten any video of the Cobra, but tell them about the Cobra.
So, and I've had probably right around 50-60 different cars, and
we'll be able to stay in this lane, right?
Yeah, stay in this lane, hang next right. Probably about 2009 I built a Factory 5 Mark IV, one of their Cobra kits, which is pretty neat. Factory 5's definitely got some racing inspired and performance inspired cars. But I have a buddy from California that used to build engines in the 70s, and he had 3 427s sitting on the shelf, and I'm like, man, I gotta find something to put that in. And
are we really gonna have to change lanes to turn?
Oh yeah, you may.
Sorry.
So and it's legit just right, I think.
Yeah.
But he had 3 427 sitting back. I got one of them. One of them's in a 65 Galaxy 500 XL right now, and it's got like twin FI tech. I'll take you over there some point, Lee. Check out his collection, and then he's got one on the floor right now that may be going to a buddy's 68 Mustang Fastback.
That's cool.
But that coupled with a tray, so 427 FE, big block, completely redone. Trey McTKO 600, Mosier Engineering 8800, Gordon Levy 5-link. The car's a non-donor Mustang build, and it makes just shit ton of torque from the start. Right, the car weighs 2,300 pounds.
Yeah, we took it to one of the one of the Fast and Furious shows, right? Or
we
a
did.
movie down there.
Yeah,
man,
Fast and Furious.
It's awesome, awesome car.
Fast and Furious. We've taken it to Mocan. It legit. You can't. Now I didn't put a tire on it just because I don't drag race a lot, and I didn't want to end up breaking something. So we thought, well, we'll just keep it on these Nittos that we have, which are NT 555s. Couldn't launch it at 3 to 5,000. It just did burn out through second gear. So we just roll out smooth, and it did 12 5s, 110, just rolling out in first gear, pretty easy. The interesting part is is that the original Cobras did 12.5 quarter miles.
Oh,
so we were dead on just rolling it out.
That's awesome. So you got that. You've got the dually truck.
Yeah. So I have I just picked up to haul my cars around a 99 1-ton dually. What's interesting about this truck is it's got 58,000 original miles on it, and it's a factory short bed. So as I look, I've watched this truck for about a year. A lot of people say, nah, they didn't make anything but a long bed. That is correct. However, and there was a lot of conversions. However, GM did make a option for a short bed. So if you decode the VIN, it's a factory long bed with a short bed option.
Damn, that's badass.
Yeah, and they only made in 99 and 2000. From what I can tell, they only made a combined total of 5,000 of those trucks.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah, and a lot of different SKU numbers, a different, one-off SKU for the driver's side rear fender, just because it's 3/4 inch shorter than the other stuff. Brake lines, different items. They're just losing money on it. Who wants a two-wheel drive, 1-ton with a short bed?
Dually short bed.
Yeah, so I bought it from
us.
Yeah, true. So I bought it from the original family. The uncle owned it, passed it on to his nephew, and they just never drove it. And it was lowered, snug lid was put on it, Alcoas, everything done in when it was brand new in '99. So such a cool truck, 454. Definitely needs some more power, but for right now, it'll work for my needs.
Right, and then
right here.
Okay, and then 65 C10.
65 C10, 385 stroker. Dyno made 1,181 horsepower. No, I'm joking. So they said it made 520 from the engine builder, but I don't know. I'm hoping it makes 350 to the ground. That truck's pretty neat. It has quarter-built front suspension. It went to a buddy's place, Wildfire Auto Restoration, so War down in Hawkeye, and he built my frame. He put step notch in it, huge ABS 4-link, custom cross members. He put the porter build in for me. The truck lays frame, has a Hensley transmission build 700 R4, constant pressure, non-lockup. And then it has a Pro Torque 3200 SAW converter, sniper fuel injection. Hope to have the truck done later this month. It's just kind of got a cool patina to it. We're going to leave it like that, and Snowden custom seats, some new carpet, and that's how we're going to drive it.
That's awesome. What else you got?
Let's see. I have
the Chevy 2.
Chevy 2, 66 Chevy 2. It already has a Mustang 2 subframe from a CPP on the front. It's getting a Ride Tech 4-link, probably on coilovers. I have a 5.3 for it and a 76mm turbo. That was my brother's high school car. He used to drive me to middle school in it every day. So
that's awesome. What'd you find in the glove box when you cleaned it out?
Yeah, so what was cool is he graduated in '93, and it had like 4 new packs of Trojans that expired in '93, a Winston, cigarettes, holidays mixtape, an inhaler, and some other stuff. Looks like he never broke into the condoms though. So
yeah, you've got some cool shit for sure. So what's your plan for BlackSeed? You gonna finish Jay's truck and take some time to work on your own shit?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a little hiatus. I'm still doing some small stuff on the side. I just finished a interior and 65 Mustang, basically, yeah, stock stuff. I just wrapped up last weekend that 65 Galaxy that I'll show you. Jay's is a little more custom, right? A little different. I do like making that stuff, but you know, we probably have 60 or 70 pieces into Jay's truck, and each item's just got tons of hours in it, router work, and a lot of different items, right?
Yeah.
Where you can take and bust out this stock style Mustang interior, you know, in a weekend, right?
Yeah. Yeah, not quite like that on a full custom interior Tahoe.
Yeah, different level for sure. And you go around a lot of these shows and you see where people spend a lot of time on the outside, and then it's got original interior. I mean, Jay's Tahoe came to us, it was completely gutted, but we wrapped the dash, full, you know, audio, it's all hidden in there. Snowden custom seats front and rear. We made all the back stuff. It actually went to the metal fab guy when we first got it, and this truck never had a back seat, and we put I think a 36-inch rear Snowden bench in it, so they had to rework the tubs and the seating area for
That's
all of that.
Awesome.
But that's a neat truck. It's really shaping up now. It's almost complete. Probably a couple weeks away. We're just trying to French seam everything we can and make sure everything is buttoned up and tight for him, so when he starts to show it,
It's ready to go.
yeah, ready to go.
Cool. All right, well, we're back. What do you
Cool.
think of the cart?
That's cool. That's cool.
It's going to be a lot more fun once we get
cool.
more power and some gears.
We got a few looks. We passed the cop back there, and I was
You were a little nervous?
I was like, okay, this dude's spinning around on us for sure.
We haven't been pulled over yet.
Right. So waiting
All right.
on that. I'd like to have a louder stereo in this, right? I
Yeah,
think
it's only got 2 speakers in the back.
I think with some you know, wakeboard
That's the
speakers.
plan. We'll put them right up here.
Yeah, I think that's what we need for sure.
All right, man. I'll show you guys the videos now.
Thanks.